Ya.
Iya dok. Pasien selanjutnya.
Permisi dokter.
Ya. Selamat malam Ibu.
Selamat malam.
Selamat malam Mas. Silakan duduk. Apa keluhannya ya Bu, anak Ibu?
Ini dokter, keluhannya anak saya sakit kepala tidak tertahankan, lalu kami baru bisa ke dokter ya karena tahu sendirilah kondisi kami. Lalu ia juga sering mimisan dan sering pingsan di sekolahnya.
Bu, saya periksa dulu. Mas, saya periksa dulu ya Mas. Buka matanya coba Mas. Buka mulutnya A. Terus kalau saya pegang di sini sakit Mas?
Sakit dok.
Sakitnya sering?
Sering.
Gitu ya. Ibu, anaknya harus ditelepon pemeriksaan lebih lanjut seperti CT scan, juga MRI. Ibu langsung ke bagian radiologi ya.
Permisi dokter.
Oh iya Bu.
Ini hasil dari radiologinya.
Oh iya.
Jadi bagaimana dokter hasil dari radiologi anak saya?
Malam ini saya akan memberikan kabar yang kurang baik. Penyakit yang diderita anak ibu cukup serius. Anak ibu menderita kanker otak stadium 4. Penyakit ini sangat sulit disembuhkan. Pengobatannya mahal.
Tapi dokter, kondisi saya hanya tukang sapu dan saya adalah seorang janda, jadi tidak ada lagi yang bisa menafkahi saya dokter.
Jadi Bu, sebenarnya saya...
Dok, ada orang yang tergeletak keluar.
Baik, saya akan segera ke sana.
Mbak.
Ibu, mohon maaf, tadi ada keadaan darurat ya Bu.
Ya, tidak apa-apa dokter.
Bu, untuk kondisi anak ibu, melihat parahnya kondisi anak ibu dan kondisi keuangan ibu, saya berniat untuk membantu.
Terima kasih banyak dokter.
Jadi ibu tidak usah khawatir dengan kondisi anak ibu. Insya Allah ibu akan kembali baik. Saya akan usahakan yang terbaik.
Terima kasih banyak dokter.
Ya, Bu.
Terima kasih banyak dokter.
Ibu bisa pulang ya. Ya.
Terima kasih. I swear to fulfill to the best of my ability and judgment this covenant. I will respect the hard-won scientific gains of those physicians in whose steps I walk, and gladly share such knowledge as is mine with those who are to follow.
I will apply for the benefit of state all measures which are required, avoiding the twin traps of overtreatment and therapeutic illness.
I will remember that there is art to medicines as well as science, and that warmth, sympathy, and understanding may outweigh the surgeon's knife or the chemist's trap.
I will not be ashamed to say I know not, nor will I fail to call in my colleagues when the skills of another are needed for a patient's recovery.
I will respect the privacy of my patients, for their problems are not disclosed to me that the world might know. Most especially must I treat with care in matters of life and death.
If it is given me to save a life, all thanks, but it may also be within my power to take a life. This also responsibility must be faced with great humbleness and awareness of my own frailty.
Above all,
I must not thank God. I remember that I don't frequent that cancer road. But as a human being who illness may affect the personal, family, and economic stability.
Responsibility includes these related problems. If I am to care adequately for the sick, I will prevent disease whenever I can, for prevention is preferable to cure.
I will remember that I remain a member of society, with special obligations to all of my fellow human beings, those sound of mind and body as well as the unfair.
Do not violate this oath. May I enjoy life and art, respected while I live, and remember with affection thereafter.
May I always act so as to preserve the finest tradition of my calling, and may I long experience the joy of healing those who seek my help.